Hi guys, welcome back to your very own channel Chalk and Duster. In this tutorial video I am going to showcase you more about pen block and some very creative thing that is like creating a spiral, a circular spiral. So that's a remix of my previous video I was working on. So here I'll just create one small sprite. So I'll go to this paint new sprite and just make it enlarged and create a very small sprite over here. That will be a quite red color. So I'll just create one small circle, nothing else, as a sprite. So here's our sprite. Now I'll just make it a bit enlarged for a while that you can have a good look there. Alright, so here is your sprite. So just center adjustment and then. So here is our sprite. So this circle, basically this small dot is our sprite now. Now going to script, since we have to create some spiral, what we need to do is we'll just go to event, we'll go to flag and then control in forever. Now before going to forever, I'll just go to pen blocks because pen will play a very important role while creating that circular spiral. So here I will put this set pen size to 1 and then pen color. So I'll choose some good pen color, maybe blue one, and then I'll ensure that my sprite should always start from 0 0 so that the center of the stage will always be there. Now I'll put this pen down. Once all is done, I'll put a forever over here and then I'll ask my sprite to take a turn of 10 degree always, and each time when it is taking a turn I'll ask it to create its own clone. Now so this is done, it will keep on creating its own clone at 10 degree angles. Now what happens when its clone is created? So I'll just require one event, that is when I start as a clone. So whenever it is starting as a clone, it should always repeat certain steps, that is moving certain number of steps and taking a turn of certain number of steps. So let's make it one step move forward at 1 degree angle. So forever each clone which has been created, that will keep on moving one step and taking turn of 1 degree. That's done. Now if I will just clear, I'll just put one more pen block that is clear at the very top, so that whatever previous drawing is there, that will be cleared. Okay, so let's try it in one go. If I'll click on this flag, you can see one beautiful drawing being drawn. So that's how you can create some very beautiful circular spiral being generated. You can see these very red beads across the spiral. So that's how you can create your beautiful spiral here on this scratch using some simple commands. Okay, so playing around more, if you want to give some more interesting or some more things here, I can change some pen colors, some pen things, so that you can make it more beautiful. So I can just use like changing the pen color and changing the pen shade as well. So if I'll change the pen color by 10 and I will put this pen shade by 10 as well, you'll see something going very interesting. I'll stop it once a while and I'll restart it. So now you can see it's giving you some rainbow colors here on this spiral. So that's it. Here and again, if I'll just stop it at any point of time, you will not find these red dots or red beads at the end of this spiral. You can just stop it and you can see some spiral has been drawn, a creative spiral, right? So at any point of time, if you don't find these beads to be present over here, or you don't want them to be visible over here, we can do one thing. We can just go to looks block and I can put one hide here in this forever block each time the clone is created. So each time the clone is created, I'll put this hide over here, and you will just stop it and restart it. You will see that now your beads or those dots, red dots, are not visible, but this spiral has been created with different colors and shades. I can keep on changing the color size in between this. I can make some changes in the colors or shades. So that's up to my creativity or your own imagination, whatever you feels like. You can do some changes in these values of pen size or this angle of degree turn, and then you can create your own spiral as well. So if I'll just make it as, let's say, 8 degree, you can find this, or maybe 6 degree, you will find this is spiral a very dense spiral. So I'll just stop it once again and I'll just play it re again, and you will see that here it's creating a dense spiral now, earlier before than before. So that's how you can just play with these values and change these all. You can make this angle of degree, this turn angle as well, so you can change this as well to make this spiral some more creative. So if you'll just stop it once in a while and we'll put it as 1 point, let's say 1.25, and then if I'll restart this, you will see something going beautiful, more beautiful. So that's how you can play with these values and you can see something going or creating beautifully. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, do comment, do share, do subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.